I'd come by. I got some parts today. Thought I'd give you guys an update. I had an extra one of these, but it's the rounded instead of the squared off like Peterbilt Mike needs, so that didn't help him out any. Don't mind the shop, it's a mess. We got a couple jugs of purple power. We got the breakdown, oil change fluids. Been working back here. I don't know if you can see it or not. I don't have my light, but got all but 4 of the 5th wheel bolts out. I'm gonna have to get these tires flipped around before we can get them last 4 out. I got the hub apart. Bearings were good, just the seal's bad. Now I got it soaking with some redneck degreaser. There you go. Anybody wants some cheap degreaser, just spray it on there. Let it sit. Works pretty good. Bucket can. The bearings over here. Parts. More parts over there. But see here, we got all the bolts out at the front too. So I clean the frame up, chase some air lines, get everything set. I gotta get this this hub back together, get the brakes done. That way we can get this axle, the wheels off it, flip it around. That'll be whenever I got help. But this is it. The OK100, 1981, 350 big cam, double frame. It's got a 9-speed overdrive transmission. Bought this off a guy down there off by Evansville. Owns a landscape company. Good guy. I think he just had one too many projects down there. So we're going to try to get it on the road. And story behind calling it the joke. My brother-in-law and I got a friend that's a farmer, and he's only got one semi. He's working on a quad axle right now, but we was up there one day watching him haul, and we was waiting on trucks. Everything was taking forever because didn't have enough trucks. There's the interior panel I gotta fix. I ain't sure how yet, but get that fixed. And anyway, back to the story. What we was talking about, because between me and him we got quite a bit of, and my dad there, we got quite a bit of equipment. And some of the equipment we can't haul ourselves. So we have to pay a friend or somebody that's got a drop deck, haul a dozer or excavator or, you know, whatever we need. And that costs, you know, comes out of your pocket. But we was joking around one day and I said, why don't we just get a truck? That way he's got an extra truck to haul grain. We got a truck to haul our equipment and stuff. And we can do it all ourselves. And he's like, well, find one. I said, find a cheap one. So I started looking on the interwebs, and I seen this one. It looked pretty rough, you know. It said Klein Farms, so that's a farm down in southern Indiana. But this boy had it for a long time. So I messaged him, set up a time to go look at it, and we went down and looked at it. We ended up making a deal on it, but it all started out as a joke, and so that's why that one video says that picking up the joke. But now it's here. I guess it's not a joke anymore. And ain't none of us really know what we're doing on it. Used to working on tractors and stuff and farm equipment, but yeah, just bigger pieces. But a lot of times most of the time I have to wait on it. I got help. Can't do what I used to. But I'll give you, shop's a mess. Don't mind the shop. I'll give you a look outside. Go see the piggies, some cows. Dad raises longhorns, and I have Angus Simmental and Angus Simmental longhorn. That's a whole different story. But there's a few of them out here. I've had about 3 days of rain. About 3 more days coming. Right there, this one looking back at us, that's my boys. And her name's Valentine. She's born on Valentine's Day. And there's one of my calves. Some of the longhorns. A couple horses. We got a couple of retired horses here, a friend of ours, taking care of them. How you doing, Valentine? Come up, say hi. Oh, that's great.
What ones are you looking to get?
And got the piggies. Always doing something. Chin on a feed sack. What you doing, Mama? What you doing, Mama? There's the little guys. Here's our Tamworth heritage hog. Back there's our boar. That's Ralphie. I don't know if you can see him. Come here, Ralphie. Come on, Ralphie. I don't know if I can get him to come up here. Come on, Ralphie. Nope, he's going to be stubborn. But we got 2 sows and then Ralphie there. These are the little ones. See some of the equipment out there. A little bit of equipment here. We're just me and my dad's mainly just hay farmers. Got some cows. He's got a few horses. It's a gloomy day, but it's 40 degrees. Not too bad out. There's one of the cutters that needs some welding done on it. Chicken shed over there. More pasture. Hayfield. But yeah, there's more back here. I'll walk back here. See some more cows. Looks like the bull's back here. This used to be a farrowing house. Dad bought this place. There's no porch over here. Here's a couple of longhorns. One of my old cows back there in the back. That's Tammy back there. One of Tammy's daughters. But most people like to look at the longhorns. Got a couple hay fields back there and some more pasture. Alright. Yep. That's all I got to update. Thanks for watching.